first. Cue the hoodie. Okay, there you go. Okay, so today we're gonna be actually solving this Rubik's Cube. I just gotta unsolve it more. Hold up, this is tricky. Okay, so here it is, guys. There is the Rubik's Cube. So let's do this. Okay, so my goal is in less than a minute. So we start now. Okay. I just started now because it started at like 30 seconds. So let's just... I know I'm not going to make it in less than a minute, but I really do hope so. Okay, so I already got that part done. Now I just need to get... Ooh. Oh, no, I forgot one of the... Okay. Okay, there you go. And then... Shit, I fucking forgot. Okay, well... I'm fucked. It's been more than a minute. But I'm still gonna solve this shit. Okay. Now, come on. Now, okay, shit. Shit, okay. Solved it! Haha. What time was that? I believe it was 2. I don't know. I just solved it. So here it is, guys. I know it was not in less than a minute, but I still got it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to make more Rubik's Cube videos in the future, just ask and I'll try to beat my record. So I'm gonna count up my record. I don't know what the record was though, but I'm gonna count it up and I'll try it. I'll just tell you guys. It's gonna be the name of the title anyway. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys later.